Installing a Riser 1 assembly. Align the screw holes in the riser card with the corresponding ones in the bracket. Fasten the screw to secure the riser card to the bracket. To install the PCIe adapter, align the screw hole with the riser slot and then install the adapter on the bracket. Fasten the screw to secure the PCIe adapter in place. Connect the cables to the PCIe adapter. Carefully press the riser assembly straight down into the PCIe slot on the system board until it is fully seated. Install the rear top cover.